Multiple storms make a beeline for the northwest of the Pacific, which will result in long-term heavy rainfall and strong winds. During the next week, lower altitude and 15-20 inches in the mountains are estimated to be a widespread 4-8 inches. In places where the Cascades and the Olympic Mountains are cold enough in high heights, more than 1 meter is possible. It is estimated that heavy rainfall, floods and landslides triggered and disrupt the travel. As you continue to throw region at weekend and at beginning of next week, temperatures that will increase, snow levels will increase. The combination of severe rain and melting can cause river flood. Long-term winter storm. The National Weather Service calls the attack of storms as a long-term olur event that will last for several days. The Northwest Pacific will capture the burden of the storm, but some heavy rainfall will spread to North Rockies. Many low-pressure regions that hit the land in western Canada will be thrown into the Northwest Pacific for long, narrow rainfall jets known as atmospheric rivers. Atmospheric rivers take moisture to higher latitudes than the depths of tropics and can produce plenty of rainfall in a short time. Guess Seattle will live until wet reputation in the coming days. During the weekend, about 1-2 inches are estimated. The totals up to 3-6 inches in midweek. The rainfall will be even more heavy around Portland, at high heights of the Cascades and Olympics. 2 to 4 feet snow is estimated until Sunday morning. The air service will be difficult and dangerous because of both heavy and blowing snow. The estimation in mountains becomes more complex as the temperatures increase and profit levels increase. The air condition service is predicted to move to the rain during Cascades during the weekend will bring, he writes, middle to severe snow periods spread to east towards the north-central Rockies, and Idaho fell to a few meters at high points of Wyoming, Utah, as the strokes suddenly cut off in North California. Sierra Nevada and a few inches are expected in the south. Increased flood risk as rain totals increase and snow goes to higher altitude. Weather Service office in Seattle warns an increasing risk of floods on Sunday next week, since atmospheric rivers are pulled in air lighter than southwest. Snow levels that started between 1,500 and 2,000 feet on Thursday will probably rise to 6,000 or 7,000 feet at beginning of next week. River floods will be possible. More sensitive rivers such as the Skokomish River in Mason District, but may include other rivers, the Olympic and Cascade basins. He says. Air service. Heaviest rain during the population centers in urban flood risk. He said.